Patent considerations for 3D printing in automotive industry. Patentable aspects in automotive 3D printing, innovations such as unique parts, printing techniques, materials, and software for design optimization can be patented in automotive 3D printing. Key patent types include utility patents for functional parts and processes, design patents for aesthetic components, and process patents for 3D printing methods and machinery. Overcoming challenges involves defining novelty in specialized designs, addressing prior art issues from evolving technology, and balancing proprietary designs with open source innovations. Patent strategies for automotive manufacturers protect both products and processes using utility and design patents, and ensure global IP coverage for comprehensive protection. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Partnering with patent attorneys ensures proper filings, safeguards core innovations, avoids infringement risks, and aligns IP strategies with automotive market needs. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.